though we have an epic gym here, this is great for doing workouts and doing all kinds of structured stuff. So let's go around the house to see what else is laying there that just introduces some mobility, some play, and some kind of movement so that we continuously be challenging ourselves. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to see as we walk outside is the pull-up bars in the backyard, which is great for just some hangs and some pull-ups. Boom. Then, once we get inside, the first thing you'll see is a club. Yes, I'm getting into clubbing and I like this very much. Boom. But I have a lot to learn. So this thing here is at the ready. I don't really want to use this indoors, so that's why whenever I want to go outside, I take this one with me, do a couple of swings, and I get moving. Also, you see that I have a lot of space here, and this is also just to sit on the floor, to do some stretching, to move around, to take a rope flow, and to move. So the space is made to move, to play, to do whatever. And that's why I have my ropes here. So I have my thick rope. These are all flow rope ropes. I also have a jump rope just to take that whenever you feel like moving and just get a session in. It doesn't have to be like, oh yeah, I have to do this for 15 minutes. No, just tangling yourself into the rope flow is great. Now, another thing that's laying around here is a sandbag, because sometimes you just want to pick stuff up and put them down. And that's exactly what I like doing with this thing. Just take it up, maybe do some rows. Boom. Or just carry it from one place to another. Always make sure you switch sides. Boom. That is just a way to keep myself occupied and to do things in between life. And then if we come to the living room, I have this gib board actually. And this is great to get your balance training in. I don't want to have a separate session for balance training or for rope flow or for club training. No, I just want to do that whenever I want to. So whenever I have a minute, I stand on this thing, try to balance with 2 feet, boom. And the added bonus of this is the kids love this as well. They just go on here, jump, boom, or they walk on this, voila. So very easy. And also, even though the gym is like, 3 meters away from the house, it's still chill to have things here so that you can move and that you can do whatever. And also something that I have here is my Terra cane. Oh, whenever a muscle gets tight, you just grab this thing, boom, and you're going. So that is just having things around, but in a structured way. I don't like them to be cluttered all over the place. Just having here and there some spots is very awesome. And then here I have my pallet bucket. I use this to do forearm training, just to get these extensors working. We always do stuff in flexion. Flexion is gripping and closing your hand, but we never extend our wrists, extend our fingers. And this thing here is just great for that. Boom. So also having open spaces is great to be on the floor, to work on your mobility. I also like the couch to just do like this, right? So wherever you go, there's opportunity for play, there's opportunity for movement, there's opportunity to stretch and to release some tight muscles. And that is really what I want to give away in today's video. Just make sure that your house enables all of that without having to clutter it with everything. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace.